Welcome to Premier Property Group's Sunnyside office. It's conveniently situated just minutes to Happy Valley, Milwaukee, and Oregon City. It offers more than ample parking, a wide range of restaurant options within walking distance, and easy access to I-205. The expansive office includes 2 suites of more than 6,000 square feet, located on the first floor for easy and convenient access. From the open, spacious lobby, enter into the recently remodeled and upgraded space, a top-notch work environment with multiple office options. Resources include 2 small meeting rooms, perfect for collaboration or one-on-one consultations with clients. Plus, a large conference room with multimedia access is ready for presentations, classes, and Sunnyside social gatherings. You and your clients can enjoy coffee or tea in the fully equipped kitchen. You'll find private and semi-private office space, as well as communal drop-in areas and workstations to foster collaboration. The office features Wi-Fi, printing, scanning, and it's stocked with office supplies. You'll also enjoy 24-hour key code access and versatile office rental options. With 21 offices, 6 cubicles, and several communal work areas, Sunnyside has room for you to grow your business. Come visit us anytime here on Southeast Sunnyside Road in Clackamas.